Something is happening in America today, and it is scaring big companies. Not missiles, not politics, but a wave of hate targeted at Indians. You're watching Times XP. My name is Riti Atri, and American companies are in the firing line. FedEx, Walmart, Verizon. These giants are suddenly being attacked online. Why? Because they hire Indian professionals, specifically Walmart here, because they have Indian American leaders, because the Trump administration is cracking down on visas for skilled workers. Well, it all started with a video. A FedEx truck accident just before the Christmas. A clip went viral on X, and all of a sudden, the CEO's Indian origin becomes the target. One comment screamed, "Stop the Indian takeover of our great American companies." FedEx CEO Raj Subramaniam was accused of firing white Americans and replacing them with Indians. In fact, right-wing commentators amplified these claims. Some even targeted employees online, threats, racism, harassment, all surfacing in plain line. Then comes Walmart and Verizon. Anonymous posts shared LinkedIn profiles of Indian employees. In fact, one said, "Indian green card managers must be kicked out of the country." Let me tell you here, this is not trolling. It's a coordinated campaign, and that's what experts are saying. Even politicians are targeted here. Vivek Ramaswamy, a Trump ally born to Indian parents, faced racist attacks online. People told him to go back to your country, and in the meantime, social media influencers complained Dallas, Texas no longer feels like America because of visible Indian community. The spike in hate, it is real today. Threats of violence against South Asians rose to 12% last year. Use of racial slur online jumped 69%. Hate is spreading fast, and Indian Americans, once called the model minority, they are now under intense scrutiny. But you know why now? Because the Trump administration revamped the H-1B visa system. High fees, preference for highest paid applicant, Indian nationals making up to 71% of H-1B holders suddenly became the target for the backlash. Right-wing groups called it a threat to American jobs. Social media exploded, and companies, they were the one caught in the middle. US companies, they are between rock and it's really hard for them. Many stopped speaking out against racism. Diversity programs were suspended under political pressure. Even cultural celebrations like Diwali, they are now controversial for the US. FBI Director Kash Patel's Diwali greeting, it triggered a storm of anti-Hindu remark online. Celebrating culture is now treated as political act. You know what this means? Indian Americans are no longer just workers or executives. They are visible targets in a political and social storm. Big companies, they are facing the harassment just for hiring them. Communities face threats for existing. So in the end, no matter where you're watching this video from, the message is clear. Hiring Indians in America has all of a sudden become controversial. Social media is weaponized, politics fuel the fire, and the country's largest corporations are scrambling to survive in a wave of hate that shows no sign of stopping.